Open the door and power your future with in-demand skills leading to a solid career. At Hennepin Tech, our construction electrician program gives you hands-on training for a strong start in the construction trades. Through practical learning and real-world exercises, you'll read blueprints, install and maintain electrical systems, and learn about industry safety standards. From wiring homes and buildings to understanding electrical codes, you'll build the skills and confidence to enter the workforce as an entry-level electrician. The practical experience you receive from Hennepin Tech gives you the skills employers look for in today's electrical industry. Graduates can pursue careers as construction or maintenance electricians, or in electrical sales, and earn 1 year of experience credit toward Minnesota electrician licensing with industry-focused training for real-world careers. Power your future as a construction electrician at Hennepin Tech.